I make phone calls. I make phone calls. I help customers. I help customers. I go to a class. I go to a class. I listen to the teacher. I listen to the teacher. I take notes. I take notes. I study with friends. I study with friends. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I use the printer. I use the printer. I make copies. I make copies. I take a break. I take a break. I return to work. I return to work. I work until 5 o'clock. I work until 5 o'clock. I clean my desk. I clean my desk. I say goodbye. I say goodbye. I leave the office. I leave the office.